Uh, Friends, as we were just talking, that group discussion is the first task of the day, and that makes a lot of difference because it is the first impression you will make. After all, the person who is selecting you is also a human being. And if you are quiet in this task, if that goes out of your hand, you can say you'll have to, kind of catch up during the rest part of the GTO task and the actual SSB also. And it will, kind of affect your morale also. So if you're going into GD, remember you are in the group task. You are being seen as part of a group. That means your personality, your behavior, your qualities are being studied as part of a group. So therefore, anything and everything that you do along as being part of the batch, because GTO batch, remember, is of 10 people maximum, and it can be minimum 6. So you can be 7, 8, 9, 10, or 6. That will be your batch strength. Now, how you behave in this group and how you contribute to the task. So remember, there are two main things here. One is your behavior expressed as part of the group, and thereafter your, how you are contributing to the task allotted to the group. So therefore, if we see the task allotted to the group, let us say if we are talking about the group discussion, you will see that it is a task which is allotted to the group as a whole. And how much you contribute, how well you participate, that means your manner and the matter. Remember this part, the manner, that means tarika, or value, आपका knowledge. That is a very, very important aspect in the group discussion. And as well as all the kind of things in the GTO ground. Apart from that, the same thing applies even in the interview and even in your psychology. The manner and the matter. किस तरीके से आप काम को कर रहे हो और आपने वहां पे क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन किया. And remember, contribution is what? Contribution is something which has value. Yogdan. Okay. So I'm using a few words of Hindi, but see, basically, the thing is that the SSB, the basic language to be used in SSB is English. So you have to have a general and proficient level of English. At least you should be able to express yourself in simple English and in a comfortable manner. So do a little practice of that in your own time. Let us talk about the group discussion, friends. It's just a discussion which is uh, an informal discussion. It's a healthy discussion, just like you would discuss in your hostel, in your common room, or while sitting with your friends while having a cup of coffee. So when the GTO says this in the briefing, remember that you must have the outlook that whosoever is sitting there in front of you in the batch is actually your friend. So moment you bring that mindset that the person sitting in front of me is my friend, then your lot of your anxious and tension and what you call the first, you know, first task of the day. So there is a little stress, isn't it? So that gets removed. So it is your outlook, mindset at the start of the task which is very important. Also remember in the GTO, whether it is in psychology or interview, always listen carefully to what the assessor is saying. That means शुरू में जो वो briefing देता है, be very attentive and listen to the briefing. Okay. So in the GD, there are two group discussions held. There is GD1 and there is GD2. And both are roughly more than 10-12 minutes in length. And the idea is from here, GTO is trying to gain maximum information about you. And he's also, first of all, going to see who are the performers, who are the non-performers, who are contributing, who are not contributing. How is the behavior of the person? And remember, in the GD, also your external behavior is seen. That means your body language. Person who is trying to shake his leg, who is trying to hold back somebody. So all these things I'll tell you. So let us have a little group discussion. Are we ready for that, friends? Are we ready for the group
Yes, sir.
discussion?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes.
when the first group discussion is held, there is a choice given between two topics. And mostly the first GD is related to national or international topics. They are descriptive in nature. That means जिसके बारे में already you can read and find out data. The second GD, that is the overall, that means number one GD and the number two GD. So after the first group discussion takes place, then you have the second GD. And in the second group discussion, it is more related to issues which concern social angle. They are from, commonly happening events or things which concern the country and such like issues. So let us go on to the first one and see what all is there. So as I was telling you, GTO will announce two topics for the first group discussion, and he will give about a minute or so, not a minute also, maybe half a minute to the candidates to quickly decide which topic they will discuss. And thereafter, once they have decided, then he gives out the topic again, and then the first group discussion is held. So are you ready for the first GD?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll keep these points in mind in front of you so that you can also keep looking at it and correct yourself and work on that angle. So I will keep them displayed. So just let me have a look. There are about, I think, 12 participants right now, 12 or 13 participants. So we can have one group taking part right now. So friends, here is the topic now for you. All are paying attention now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes,
friends,
sir.
of late we have been seeing that USA has become very friendly with our country. So what could be the real reason behind it? Is it that USA is a democracy and therefore it is trying to help a democratic country like India? Or is it that it is looking into having access to the commercial and military market of our country? Or is it that it is trying to prop India against the Chinese and maybe a little bit of the Russian tendencies also? Okay, so this is the first topic. Have you understood it?
Yes.
All right. Now, the second one for your choice is that as we find till date, after more than 70 years of independence, India does not seem to enjoy good relations, solid relations with its neighbors. What do you think is the real reason behind it? Is it because of our particular geographical location? Or is it because our neighbors have their own selfish interests? Or is it because we have never had a clear cut foreign policy? So, have you understood both the topics?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also remember, in both the topics, I have given 3 leads. So try to stay within these leads when you're carrying out your discussion. This is one hint for doing well in the group discussion. Okay, friends, quickly decide and let me know.
Okay, friends, let's have discussion on the second topic, that is with
Yes, sir.
the economic
Good relations
crisis.
with the neighbors.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
yes.
do
So,
agree with that.
So please
okay.
let me know how many people for the first topic. You can send me a thumbs up. How many people for the first topic, that is why USA wants to be friendly with India?
So we all are agreeing on the second topic.
You all want to go ahead for the second topic.
Second topic, sir.
Remember one small hint that GTO, when he is giving you a choice between these topics, he is also looking at the level of the group. He is also looking at the level of the group. So the way you choose the topic, it starts giving him a hint about the general level of the group also. Okay. All right. So friends, you can unmute your mics, you can switch on your cameras, and you can start the discussion. Please start. All for the second topic, that is about India's relations with its neighbors. Please start.
Okay, so gentlemen, as we have given the topic of good relations with neighbor, I would like to go on with the lead, that is the selfish interest of our neighboring countries. See, the neighboring countries that we have, like China and Pakistan, they all have their selfish reasons. When it comes to Pakistan, they want to acquire the whole of the Kashmir region from the India. And when it comes to China, China is already following an expansionist policy along with all the countries that he shares his border with. So yeah, these kind of policies from the our neighbors, they are creating some problem for India.
Yeah,
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 I
I'm agree with
completely
you,
agree with the speaker, Shivam, that he's exactly correct that it is the selfishness of the neighboring countries, because not all the countries we are having very bad relations with. There are good neighboring countries also, we are having very good relations. So I think that we are good at our part. So the countries like China and Pakistan who have a very selfish mind during any policies, and so they have their own selfish interests over the areas, over the resources we are having. So that's why I think it is because of their selfish interest.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with you, Vishaka and Shivam. As my colleague said, that they are relation between the countries of like neighboring countries are not good in relationship with India because of their selfish nature. Because all countries want to become economically superpower, and somehow they are needed the geographical locations of. They are fighting on the geographical relations of the country, because you can see Myanmar and Bangladesh always they are have a fight with India because of some geographical locations.
Exactly. Yes, and gentlemen, agree to your point. Rightly said, your guess. It's all because of a geopolitical reason why the neighboring countries have a war between us. They are making threat to our economy, because we all know that India is emerging as a as an economic power. We all know that in terms of military, in terms of economic, we are emerging as a a superpower country. Because and why this the neighbor countries are having this biggest threat to us, because they don't want us to be a developed country, or in terms of military, or in terms of economically. So I would say that it's all because of geographical region. Now recently, just take an example, China has been targeting like Galwan Valley, and moreover they say that Arunachal is their own state. Their boundary, they make a map because Arunachal is their own boundary. So I would say that it's all because of geographical region. The neighboring country have a giving a threat to us. Yeah, that's my
Yeah.
point.
Gentlemen,
Yes,
I
exactly.
will go with the lead with no clear-cut policy, because India is our foreign policy is towards China and other countries totally different, because we are never take action against China, because nowadays we have started to do that. And I think our foreign policy towards the neighbor countries should be changed. They, country like China taking advantage of this our foreign policy, because
Yes,
we are
Yeah,
pushing the
Exactly.
yes, I agree with Babu sir. India must improve. Okay, India must improve their
yeah,
foreign policy with their neighbors, and India is totally looking for the USA and Russia, but she is not looking for their neighbors. So India must improve their foreign policy to improve good relation with their neighbors.
Yes, exactly.
yeah.
Well,
I'm
Exactly.
gentlemen,
aligned with
I
the
agree with
same
you.
The
point.
The
point
foreign
is there.
policy is
India is trying to prove
India
to
has
Actually,
followed
the
from a
foreign
long time
policy
is
are clear
non-aligned
and
Pakistan,
cut
policy,
with all the
non-aligned
countries.
Bangladesh.
movement. But right now, what is actually the root of the problem is the mansha of the countries. They are those who are neighboring countries. See, Pakistan and China, if they want to resolve the issue, India is always ready to resolve the issues, but they do
Yeah,
not
yeah,
want to do so because they have some of their interests, those which are selfish interests. So they
yeah,
just
yeah.
want to keep that dispute going on to follow to achieve their
That
interest.
is the thing. Because
Yeah,
geographical
Yeah,
location, yes,
agreeing.
India is in a
Yeah,
good geographical location, but the thing is that resources in India are, even the other countries, we are having good relations with, are utilizing our resources very well, and we are having a good policies with them. So I think that the China and Pakistan, they are having a very selfish kind of interest, because of the they are over the disputed areas maybe, and they are trying to, from the very long time, even they are helping each other to make our country, show our country down. But that I think it is completely the selfishness of their own countries, because we are always ready, as even the previous gentleman said, we are always ready to settle all the disputes. And even right now, the defense minister is continuously in touch and connection with the China's defense minister. He's talking and having a decent conversation to come up in a solution, but still they are doing the same things.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is
I
the
want to give,
yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
That is
Vishaka, I'm agree
Exactly
with your
that's
point. So I want to give some example related with the selfish nature and the geographical locations of a country. You can see Myanmar, which is the southern eastern part of India, located. You can see in the Bay of Bengal, where the China military is always doing that patrolling exercises. So they want to take the Myanmar locations and geographical location because of their selfishness nature. They think that if we take over the Myanmar, then we will trade our oil and petroleum from Myanmar directly. So there is
yeah,
Yes,
some selfishness in
yes,
nature
I
and
Exactly.
relationship also matters.
I agree to
yes,
Yogesh
I
point that
partially agree with the
we have seen
Yogesh sir,
that
and
recently India has
country like
established a good
Nepal,
relationship with
country
the
like
Bangladesh.
Nepal is
It has established
very
a
selfish.
Swadhinta Sarak.
Okay.
So it is trying to prove a good relationship between Bangladesh and India. But there are some neighboring countries such as Pakistan and China. They don't want to get friendly with us. So it is their fault, and they are trying to manipulate us, and they are trying giving us manipulative policies over us. So this is how they are
Exactly.
Yes,
proving the selfish interest.
yes,
So we can see
yes.
that uh, uh, it is totally dependent on the countries that they are proving themselves, such as Bangladesh recently has proved that it is trying to improve its foreign policy.
Yes,
Yes,
let me
yeah,
agree to your
yeah. I
I
point.
agree
See,
with
can
that.
see because
Only
only
the
we
two
can
country
we
are
have a
there,
good
Pakistan and
relation with
China.
we
They
have
are
other
also
countries like
like
Bhutan,
Nepal. Okay.
Myanmar. We have a good relation with other countries. But there's a two countries like Pakistan and China. They have been putting a threat to India because just take an example, Jammu and Kashmir. It's Kashmir. They want to take Pakistan. They want to take that geographical area. That the boundary. The Kashmir, the whole Kashmir, and moreover China. They have been attacking. They have been putting a threat to us. To take Arunachal and moreover the Ladakh region. So this place play a very prominent role for even India's knows and even the China and Pakistan know. These two places very important for them. So that's why they have a geographical threat and putting us in pressure to take this territory onto them. So there's a
yeah,
reason
exactly.
Yes, I agree
yeah,
with your point,
Yeah,
but
exactly. They are
India
to be
must.
engaging. Yeah, engaging. They are both the countries engaging to the India, so that it will be distracted for their economic growth also. The main problem is that and in the other side, the Pakistan is engaging to the India so that he can focus more towards the Jammu and Kashmir, and other side the China is focusing to the Arunachal Pradesh. So the India is
exactly.
to be distracted their mind two sides. So we cannot concentrate towards the other regions of the like development to other nation like other policies. We are not so much concentrated about other deaths. We are just focusing only the two issues of and Jammu and Arunachal Pradesh. That's the main reason they are the two both country are to be engaging more and more. So we cannot develop as like we have the manpower
Exactly,
and
gentlemen. I
potential.
Yes,
completely agree with your point.
even
And as
China
we all
and
have
Pakistan,
discussed
they
that
didn't want
I
India.
partially
They
agree
didn't want
with them.
India to
I
selfishness
go
partially
only.
forward.
agree with them,
We all
and
know that
because
India is
we
emerging
are
as an economic
we
developed
have
country.
seen that
So these two
country like
countries putting
Nepal,
a threat to
country like Nepal,
India.
they are
So
actually
they want to
like
take these
like
areas. They want to take we all know that
yes,
China
of
is
course,
emerging as a superpower country. Even
yes,
Uh,
of
right
course,
now
but
China. Yeah, let me finish
Friends,
up.
I would
Yeah,
like
gentlemen,
to add a
let me
point.
finish up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
yes,
of
gentlemen,
adding
course,
to
let me
your
finish
point.
up.
Yeah,
I agree with
yeah,
them, but
adding to
I
your
have a
point.
point that neighbor, some area, some extent, okay, the neighboring countries selfish is okay, but our appeasement policy, foreign appeasement policy, foreign policy towards the China is the main reason. That is why China is taking advantage. They are aggressive policy towards their neighbors. That is a very good example is Galwan Valley incident.
Yes, yes. And
Exactly.
also
completely
India,
agree with your
instead
point,
of
and as you have raised
I
this point
partially
of
agree
foreign
with that.
appeasement policy,
Foreign
I
policy
would
is
like to,
also, yeah, foreign
talk
policy
about
is
the
also,
solutions here. What could be the solutions for this kind of problem? Because see, we cannot change our geographical locations. So the neighbors that we have to deal with them
yeah,
somehow.
right, sir.
So
Yeah, yeah.
we have to
Yeah,
deal with their selfish
exactly.
interests too.
So
So we
we
need
can
to
come
come up
to a
with some kind
solution,
of
you know.
mechanism, some kind of solution to resolve the border issues. And this could always only be done by talking. So we need to put some international pressure on them so that they come on the talking terms and they will stop their those activities, those who are harming the nation's integrity. And then we should achieve the border peace, and it is very much necessary for the
Yes,
development of
I
both the nations.
Yeah, yeah, I am agree
yes,
with
I
your
agree
point.
with your point. But India must, instead of imposing heavy taxes on and duty taxes on other countries, neighbor countries, must impose some low taxes so that there must be more trade and good relation must be developed between our neighbor countries.
No, yeah, exactly.
See,
They be
what
impose low taxes, but we have to be just improve our foreign policies also, because we means we are liable towards the China, because China is imposing a lot of pressure in the international market to India. But we right now we are not just boycotting or all other these things. Right now we have to do just we are also imposing more pressure on that, so that they can not counter it to our, and we are also economically growth. And then when we are economically growth, then the a good relation to our all other countries are also be established, not only but the Pakistan and China, but all are
Exactly, exactly.
all
Yeah.
other
So
that
I
we
think
have
I
to be
agree with the
It is
point
India
that,
is
but
very much affecting
recently,
because of China,
yes,
because of the trade. We are very much dependent on them. So I think that already our honorable Prime Minister have started many like Make in India things. So we should promote these things so that India can also become a more
Economically
superpower.
superpower.
Yeah, economically
yes,
superpower.
yes,
Moreover, I think that we can also
exactly.
focus more on the research sector. The government should also focus more on the research sector, so that more like the MSME sector and research sector, so that India can have its own, because in some sectors India is still not having very much lead. So India
Yes,
can develop that.
see,
and
And
also the government
yes,
is
Vishaka,
focusing in the
agreeing
eastern
to your
part
point,
to
yes,
connect
I
it
would
with
just like
our
to put
India,
more work.
as it has took
Yes,
forward the look east trade policy. So we can see it is trying to connect India and the eastern part of India with the whole of it, so that we can improve at our economical level, and also the country is trying to make India one.
see, yes,
Also, I would
yeah,
like to add on
agreeing to your
point.
point,
exactly.
yes.
Exactly.
See, how we
Guys,
can come up with to this trade, India should have a good bilateral relation with these two countries, since we know we have a good relation with other countries like Bhutan, Nepal, and these things. Recently, that India has deal with a sign like in Nepal to have a dam construction. So in this regard, what I would say, so India can help in this way to even to other neighboring countries, so that you can come up to a good bilateral relation, and we can come up
the
as a economically as a flourish in our to our nation. Now India has already
yeah,
have a
agreeing to your point,
Agni Bharat,
India should focus or
Ayushman. Yes,
encourage on bilateral talks within their friendly nation, so that
exactly,
they do
exactly.
not come under the bad influence of Chinese. Yeah, they are trying to make themselves a supremacy in the
See,
world. So
when you talk
they
about
are
China,
influencing. Yeah, they are
yes,
influencing the
see,
neighboring countries,
China. If
which
you
is
talk about China,
yeah.
see, we are purchasing more goods from China. So what we can do here is, we should have, our own sector like Atmina Bharat, so that we can have our own production and we can minimize the percentage.
Yeah,
Can retaliate China, so that this would be better for our nation. What I would say.
Yeah,
Carry
yeah, I
forwarding my
partially agree
point,
with
I
that.
would also like to suggest one more solution here. See, the countries that we are sharing borders with, we also share some major cultural similarities with those. When it comes to China, we share Buddhist similarity. When it comes to Pakistan, we share the Muslim culture similarity, and the Punjabis too. And when it comes to Nepal, we have the Roti Beti Ka Rishta. So we should also focus on developing more people to people relations, so that they will force their governments to develop some good relations with the neighboring country, country, and it will automatically solve the problem, because the government have to go according to the will of the people of their nations. So yeah, this could also
Really
be a
true.
potential solution.
Yeah.
I
Completely
partially
agree.
agree with that. But also one point I also add that the people relation are also to be connected. But in other with that, if our country is the most developed and economically we are high, so that the other nation are to be definitely with that friends, and then we can invest in that, and they can they can find out their own profit on that, so that they can be more interested towards our nation, so that they can join. Look in that the China, what are they, how, why they are in means most popular in our South Asia. They are investing to that the country more and more, so that they are totally dependent upon them, and then they are try to capture, or they are try to manipulate this country. We are just not like to that, we are just investing, and so that their local people are to be more profitable, so that they can more focus to that government, so it will be tackled to our government, so that they will be positive relation to be happen.
Yeah, I agree with Deepak. And there is one more sector. I think education
Gentlemen,
sector
I
also
would
needs
like
a
to
bit
add one
reformation
point.
in a country like India, where especially I'll talk about teaching professions. Like they are not like a teacher is one who can make the country everything. Like it is the mother of all professions. So we should also focus on the training and the selection procedure of
Okay.
teachers, so that it can improve the
All right.
sector
All
better,
right.
so that it
Very
will
good,
come up.
everyone. Very good, everyone. At the outset, let me tell you one thing about a group discussion. Remember to stay within the leads. Remember to
Yes,
stay
sir.
within the leads. So there was,
Exactly.
right now, why I have stopped the, discussion is because there was a slight tendency to go towards tangent. So don't go on a tangent. Avoid going on a tangent. When the discussion is going on, try to stay within those leads. You can pick up any of the leads, but as I've heard
Yes.
your discussion now, I'm very happy. Most of you are handling the discussion in a logical manner. That means you are taking the other person's point, you are processing it, and then giving your point. That is a very, very
Exactly.
important thing and a very positive thing for a group discussion. Like many of you have heard the other person's point, and then you are giving your point. Now, this is very, very important. That shows your involvement. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the most important thing to be, good in group discussions? What is the most
So
important element, quality which you
to
can have?
listen, sir.
To listen and
Listen.
then speak, sir.
No,
Listen.
Cooperation, sir.
no, to do
Cooperation.
well, to
Cooperation,
do
cooperation.
well in the overall discussion.
Cooperation, sir.
So to give a
Cooperation.
logic
Should be
point,
To hear
appreciated if it
to
is
hear
We should
all the
constructive.
group
elevate each
members'
other's point
viewpoint.
by
Knowledge,
putting
Just
our
think
points
about it.
also.
content knowledge,
so
content
Knowledge.
to
knowledge.
put a
Cooperation
logic
and
point, logical
reasoning
point.
Yeah,
ability.
knowledge.
Friends,
Cooperation and
Hearing
reasoning
others and
ability.
give a logical point, sir.
दोस्तों,
Cooperation
ज़्यादा
and
मत
reasoning
सोचो.
ability.
Simple thing, knowledge.
Content knowledge.
If you have knowledge, you can speak. Okay? And if you have knowledge
Correct,
of
sir.
what is going on around you, your general awareness is of good level, you will know what to speak and what not to speak. Otherwise, your mind will keep taking you towards a comfortable zone and you will go off in a tangent. Remember this part. The second is, of course, a good vocabulary. That means good shabdkosh or storage of words. If you have words, you will be able to express yourself well, which most of you were doing in this group, that you were using the right words, your ideas were coming out. Some people were hunting for words, but still, I think overall, quite a few of you, majority of you were speaking quite well. So remember knowledge and the way you convey your ideas. And overall, for group discussion, your participation is also very important. So when you join me in the course, I will tell you what are the exact ways in which you can put in your best in the group discussion. How can you develop your confidence to speak, and how do you maintain your intensity in the group discussion? So how was your experience today, friends?
Well, it was very
Sir,
good, sir.
it was fine, but
Sir,
sir,
it
if
was
you want to give any
yes.
personal feedback, sir, you can give to anyone, sir,
Yeah, I
for
think
any
that's why
improvement.
I'm
also.
saying that, in
Sure,
fact,
sir. It will surely
I
help us
think
out.
majority of you, you took part in the discussion. I think there's a lot of potential. There's a lot of potential in majority of you in this group. Okay. So, I think I'd like to work on with you and be with, part of my teaching group so that I can take care of you. Remember, we've got very excellent people in our group. We've got Colonel Ashish Sharma for the interviews. He's been deputy president of 2 boards. I myself have had 2 boards. We don't normally, SSS don't get a second posting. We are those people with a second, and I, of course, didn't have much time left. So otherwise, I would have got my 3rd posting also. But, I've forgotten the count of how many people have gone recommended through me. I was trying to, make an Excel sheet the other day. Let me sit down at least. But I give congratulations and then carry on with the next batch. So, most of you have good, like Vishakha, Deepak, Lasit, Gunjan, Abhitendra, then another person who was speaking very well in this group, Yogesh, you were giving good points. And we also had, I think he switched off the camera, so I'm not able to make out. There was one more who was, yeah, Shivam, you were giving, and Babu was also very mature manner. He was giving out his points. And Shivam was very logical. You were picking up points from others and then breaking it up and then speaking. So this is a good idea. It's a very good idea to be logical. How can you be logical? When you have the knowledge bank behind you. Then only you can process that knowledge and give it out. So I think tremendous potential, all of you, and be in touch with us. Now, would you like another little discussion?
Yes, sir.
Is this the only group,
Sir.
or you may have other students also?
Sir, this only.
Okay.
Yeah, yes,
All right.
sir.
Let's have one more. Okay. So let's have the GD2. Everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So take a deep breath. Lambi saans bhar lo sabhi. Okay. So we'll have the second GD. And remember, the second GD is more related to a bit more of where you have to apply your thinking a bit more. You have to process that idea and then speak on it. All right. So let me give you something on which you
Yes.
can be very comfortable. So today, as we find that smartphones have become an important part of our lives, we just can't do anything without smartphones. Everyone and anyone has got smartphone and the internet. So what do you think is the single most or the biggest effect it is having on us? Is it that it is making us smarter and we are more productive? Is it that it is helping us connect with people and stay in touch with all the people we want? Or is it that it is making us mentally as well as emotionally dependent? That if the smartphone is taken away, you will get mentally affected and you will not be able to even do some of your other actions. So what do you think, therefore, friends, is the single biggest effect it is having on us? Are you clear about the topic?
Yes, sir.
Are you all clear about the topic? Okay, please start.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Remember to stay within the leads, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
Right, go
gentlemen,
ahead.
as the
Okay.
topic given to us, I would like to go with the very first point, that is making us more, these smartphones are making us more smarter and productive. See, we can quote this with the, some example, like in the lockdown, when the lockdown got imposed, many of us have continued our studies. We could purchase medicines online. We could take a doctor's prescription and their salah online. So this smartphone has helped a lot, during the lockdown period, and it is just one example. We have many more adding to this.
Exactly.
Yes,
Okay. So
Shivam, I agree with
just
your
adding
point.
to your point,
But
yes.
So I
I would
want to
also
add
add
my
up with
point
some
here.
point what the gentleman has said. See, this smartphone has beneficial to us because we have been learning everything from from internet, from Google's, So I would say that this smartphone is playing a very crucial role in all of our lives. Whether in old age, whether in youth age, whether in child age. So I would say that this smartphone is creating a digitization of India. We all know that yeah, now we are following a digitization. So I would say that smartphone is one of the platform for all the for us to grow up.
Yeah, I am agree with
Yeah.
your point, Basil.
Gentlemen,
So I want to give up on my point regarding the second.
with just one click we can do our transaction. With just one click we can now are able to do our every teaching learning process is going on in phone, and everything is accessible in phone. We are becoming more smarter. I think that the it is the need of the day to be more
Uh,
towards technology.
yes, I
Yes,
agree
Yeah,
with you.
we
But
are.
Many
apart
of our
from
summits,
it,
Asian Summit
apart
and
from the
virtual
pros of
summits have
the
held
smartphone,
on the digital platform itself. So we can see that in such pandemic situations, we have conducted such summits online. So it is making us more productive. Even it hasn't stopped us from our transactions or any kind of work, but it has made our economy more stronger than ever before, and it has tried to improve the situation in such pandemic situation itself. So I think it is making us smarter and productive as well.
yes, I
Yeah,
agree
Yeah,
with
I
you.
yes.
agree with
But
that. It
apart
will be
from
I
making
the
us
agree with
Your
you,
pros of
point,
the
but
smarter and
Nitin.
smartphone,
productive
actually
with
let's
So
that.
I
focus
want
some
to
cons
give a
of the
lead on the
more
smartphone.
second topic.
productive, and we are getting this smarter as well. But I think that the lead we have given, that we are getting emotionally attached to it, and this is also true. As we have all seen, technology has both effects, so the good effects and bad effects. And we can see the childrens and the parents, and now the small childrens are the parents using mobile phones to concentrate the children on when the parents are doing some work. So the children are getting more addicted to the mobile phones and the smartphones, which creates mindset of a children to get attracted to the phones only. And
Yeah, I
now
am
we can
agree with
see
your.
Yes, yes, I agree with you. And it also
it's a
bounded,
point because
it also
yes,
limits the mentality and thinking of the childrens.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Yeah,
So
I will agree
I
with
want to
that.
give a fill up from
But
the
it will
first
be the
point
more
That
much
that
depends.
is
more
related
productive
with
and than
the
that.
making it smarter,
I think it is
smart
the individual
phone on
choice
the
how
phone.
you perceive it.
So
It is a
yes,
very useful device. If you want to
yes,
use it for a
mobile phone is
positive
more
change, you can,
productive.
and it is an
I
individual
agree with
difference.
you.
I think.
I agree with you.
Yes,
But
Yeah,
I
it is
agree to your
it is
point. What I
individual
but
also.
I
It will
suggest
be
is parents should have,
reproductive and
yeah, parents should
more
restrict their children.
reproductive it will be
yes,
given.
yes, it will
Yeah,
be
It will be
productive.
should
given
restrict
the
their children
more
from
It
using
will
the
be
more
mobile
productive, but
phones.
the
reproductive.
thing
Yeah,
is,
there should be a parental
Yeah,
but
control
the thing is,
so that they
but
can
but
yeah,
use
the
if
the
you
mobile
get
phones
more
effectively.
energetic, if you are working on
yeah,
continuously,
yeah.
I would
So
like to go
listen,
with the
gentlemen. So I want to give on my first point, that is they are making a smart use, because you can see in a lockdown period we are able to make a good relationship with our relatives in a lockdown period. So and we are taking studies and online classes. So that is somehow the points are related with each other. That is first point and second point, and it is also making effect on our physiological mind also, because you can see if we use the excessive use of anything, it can be affected on our mind. So all these three points are somehow related to each other.
yeah.
Yes,
Also, I would
All the three
Gentlemen,
points are
yes.
say that
also
I
executive,
Agreeing to
but
your
the
point, gentlemen.
main point is that
mobile
mm,
phone is more smarter productive because nowadays we can do anything in our house, home, and we can purchase something, and we can go by use like a car booking, car, everything, and
Exactly, yes.
yeah,
digitally, and it
if I
See,
is
give an
uh,
inside
example, then
our
the best
country,
see,
example would be like
I
we
would say that
are the also
India.
benefiting from
during
this
this
platform,
pandemic,
and
we are having everything,
but
from technology,
But
from smartphones.
but
So, what I would say, in this present scenario,
hello.
the smartphone is playing a very crucial
But it
role
is
to all the, whether in
partly
terms of
those who
bureaucrats,
are
whether in terms
using
of minister,
smartly,
they are
and it is
having
a
their,
smarter product.
via conference with the, having the conference call, or, doing everything in technologically with digitization. So I would say that, this smartphone is playing a very crucial role, and it's one of the, platform to, for, to make a digitization of the whole world.
Yeah, exactly. It is
yeah,
actually,
exactly.
and
Exactly.
even
I
I
agree
This
with
just
that
would
I
like
would
to
point.
also
mention.
like to
But
go with
the
the
most one
type.
point is
Uh,
that
yeah, I would like
Yes.
to
yeah, the
quote
most
a
point is
example
that
here
it
of
will
the
be
how these
reproductive to
smartphones are
the
making us productive. See, we all can do now work from home, and we can do a lot of things from our smartphone only to earn ourselves some money and to help ourselves or to help our family financially. Also, at the same time, the kind of educational revolution or the online education revolution
Yeah,
that
right.
came in our country, it was only because of these smartphones. So, in somehow, in some manner, these smartphones they have made us
Exactly,
productive. We
gentlemen.
can
Yes, yes. But
download a
apart
lot
from
of
the
online
I
exercise
want
apps.
to add
yes,
on
yes, yes.
some
But
Exercise
apart from the
points
regularly.
here
pros of the
that
smartphone,
the negative
there are
effects,
some.
like it affects our physiological, it how affects our physiological. One thing that in pandemic we can see the online classes are conducted, and we have to give our phones to the children of class 6 and class 7 or class 8 also. So these children they are not knowing what is wrong or what is not seen in the internet. But without proper knowledge of internet and without proper knowledge guidance of their parents, they are giving these smartphones to the children, and it affects their psychological mindset it very badly, because in OTT platforms, on the platforms, and the sites which are not allowed to the children's, the children are getting addicted to it. So this is the
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Their
because
friends
Friends,
the
I would
thing
like to
is,
add
go to the
some
stage
point
of
the
that
thing
mental
is that
lethargy,
nothing is
and
ideal.
they feel
No,
yes,
nothing
definitely I
is
anxiety.
would like
ideal,
to
and
add
And
we
some
have
also,
point
to.
that
if someone took
Yeah, yeah,
smartphone
I
away
am
from
agree
them,
with your
they
all my
got
colleagues. So
frustrated,
I want to
and this
add
shows
one point
their
here. I want
way
to add
of
one point here that
expressing
if
the
we use the
emotions.
technology in the right way, if we use the technology in the right way, it will be more effective. And if we
Yes,
use
yes,
in
yes,
a
yes.
indirect way, then it can
yes,
affect
yes. But
in a
for that, we
very
have to
Yeah,
give the
agree,
knowledge.
agree
We
with
have to
you.
give proper
Everything
knowledge
has
to
its
them.
pros and
Completely
gentlemen,
cons.
agree with you,
We should
gentlemen. It's
not get
totally
addicted
on to
to
us
smartphone.
in what way we
We should
want to
get more
use this
productive.
technology. If we want to use this
But
technology as a productive way, it will be more productive. And this is
Yes,
my
yes, yes,
opinion.
yes.
The
I'm
parents
agree
they
with
should
Shivam
do
that it is
mentally
very
monitoring of the
productive
children
because of COVID. After
before giving them
COVID-19,
smartphones.
everybody use smartphone. With the help of smartphone, many people working from home and also many children working, learning from home. So that each and everything we will be learn from smartphone. In future also,
exactly.
we will use
Yeah,
technology. We adapt
yes,
technology.
See,
exactly.
We will do
It's
each
the
and
point which is
everything.
okay. But
yes,
yes,
yeah, I also
gentlemen,
add, I will also add one point that the smartphone needs to be more reproductive for that the particular, not the particular era, it's for the future also. Will in that time the smartphone is coming, all the things are to be happen on that the particular only one full platform. We can be I'll take example of education, digitalization, banking, or all other things are to be happen only
Yes, yes. Because
a
of we are
single
living
device.
in a
We
technical
can
era.
do,
We are
see,
yeah,
using the
yes,
technology.
yeah,
So
ladies
we
and
will
all the
learn
things
gentlemen,
are to
those
be happen
technology. We will
on
yes,
that
improve our
particular thing.
communication, all those things. sir. Sir.
And also
Because
we
of
can
every
say that
country
see,
having a
it has
technology.
made
ladies and
us
gentlemen,
I
so
agree with the
that
locator
with
point
the help
because
of
mobile,
Yes,
the best example is YouTube.
see, ladies and gentlemen, we can just come to a solution like in short and crisp, like
Just for bad things and
I would say that
get
this
bad things to
smartphone has
profit.
make
So
us
it is
very
totally depend
workless
upon
effort.
your personality.
It's
So
yes,
yes, yes, it totally
yes, it
depend
has
upon your
become very
personality.
easy to work, very easy and workforce level. It's physically, it's making us accessible through from phone. So everything we are
Yes,
doing
yes.
through phone. So I would say that it's making our life easier in this
Okay,
present
Yes,
scenario.
yes.
so
Because of if we have a smartphone in our pocket, we will search each and everything in the actually we with the help of a smartphone, we go one place to
Exactly,
another
exactly.
place with having a GPS and map system. There is no need to ask anyone. So that it is very crucial role
all
nowadays.
right, very good.
Yeah,
biggest
yes. Apart from all the pros of the smartphone, there are some cons that it affects the mental health of the childrens. It causes
See,
mental
gentlemen,
lethargy, and
it's depend
children
upon
used to become frustrated when someone snatched
it
away
depends on
the
totally
smartphone
use
see,
of
from
it's
the
them,
depend
and this
technology.
upon
shows their
how we
degrading
utilize it.
mental
It's
All
conditions.
depend
right,
upon how we
thank you.
use.
If we see the
It's depend
positive
upon.
feedback of the outcome, then it is more positive and totally
All right,
For
positive
that,
outcome
what
from the
we can do is parents
than the
can take
negative.
some measures. For
yeah,
that,
yes.
thank you
parents can
See,
everyone.
take some measures,
Thank
and
you
Okay,
there may
sir
everyone.
be
is saying
yes,
something.
some
gentlemen.
precautions
Okay,
that
okay,
could be
friends.
Okay,
taken.
Sir
stop,
is saying
stop,
something.
stop your
We have to
discussion.
finish.
Sir is
Okay,
saying
Okay,
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 something,
but
friends,
sir.
silent,
Okay,
silent.
okay, wait.
sir
Silent,
wants to
friends.
add
Sir
Okay,
is
something.
okay.
saying
okay.
something.
Okay, very
Friends,
good.
please
Okay.
keep silent.
That shows the Josh, that all of you are quite active. It shows you got involved in the discussion. Very good and very nice points coming from all of you. So, well, you're welcome to go for further training with me in the SSB classes. We are present all over in, our website is there, but I'm still putting the courses and all those details. But overall, the website is ready. You can go for you can read about various parts of the SSB over there. I put pages on TAT, WAT, everything. Today I'll be uploading some sample PPDT. I'll be uploading a sample TAT and such like things. So we have our Synergic Minds. You can come through Yogesh and register with us. I've also displayed my contact and my details. I'll just share the screen. Give me 1 second. So
Yes, sir.
all of you, if you so desire, can go ahead and tell your friends also about us. Remember, for anything for the SSB, if you just work on your general awareness and your spoken English, and how do you improve your spoken English? Language is improved only by speaking. And you can just take printed matter and you can read it out like a news reader. So take a printed matter, take any printed matter and read it out at a good speed. Start increasing your speed of reading it out. But most of you here in the discussion were reasonably able to express yourself quite well. Okay. I'm very happy with that. Lot of potential all of you got. I try to send you some messages, all those who are doing quite well over here. So I've sent you messages to encourage you. So please be in touch with us. Note down our numbers. You can take the details from Yogesh also. And please visit our Instagram, SSB Synergic Minds, SSB_Synergic Minds. You can remember this logo. This is also recently made. I'm registering this logo now. So also our website is there. Also, you can send us a direct WhatsApp message. In fact, direct WhatsApp message is the best. And try to come through Yogesh because he's organized this entire group. That's very nice. So thank you. Thanks a lot, Yogesh, for this opportunity.
Thank you. Welcome, sir.
Such bright students. I'm always there. And we can have more sessions. All right. I look forward. I'll cover different topics in that. I'll help you out. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you for sir your time that
Thank
giving.
you for guiding us.
Thank you, sir, for your time.
Okay. Remember overall that I'm there to help. That is the basic idea. And it gives me a lot of
Yeah, sir.
happiness, when a candidate clears the SSB, more than him, I am happy. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
doing your best and we will look forward to working together. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your valuable time, sir. Jain, sir.
It's always there. My time is yours. All right. Always there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Welcome. Thank you so
Okay, sir.
much.
Thank you.
Nice meeting all of
Okay,
you.
sir.
God bless. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jain.